My lovely viewers, welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and I'm so happy to be with you guys again today. I hope you're having a good time, and I hope you are trying to understand mathematics in a better way. Alright, if you don't know, this is a channel that helps you understand mathematics, and this is a channel that helps you eradicate the phobia that you have for mathematics. Again, we are here with another question which we will be solving. So sit back and relax. If this is your first time joining us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to share our videos. Okay, now when a student should see a question like this, the first thing that comes to my mind is, oh my God, how can I solve a question that is as long as this? But it is very, very simple if you understand the principles of trigonometry functions. Now the question we have today says, what is the value of sine 33 degree cos 57 degree plus sec 62 degree sine 28 degree plus cos 33 degree sine 57 degree plus cosec 62 degree cos 28 degree all over tan 15 degree, tan 35 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 55 degree, and tan 75 degree. Oh my God, it is a very long question. But when you understand complementary angles, you will know how to solve questions like this. First of all, let me explain some of these trigonometry identities and what they stand for. For example, sec. When you say sec is simply the inverse of cos, 1 over cos. Okay, now when you say cosec is simply the inverse of sine, 1 over sine. Are you with me? Alright, these are the basic, the ones that they use that you are not familiar with. There's also one which is called cot. Cot is simply the inverse of tan. Are you with me? Good. Now, you should understand what this simply means. So what we're going to be doing is the following formulas which we'll be using in solving, this question involves this. One, sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. We're going to be using this formula. And also cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. We are also going to be using this formula. Are you with me? And now we have tan theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. We also will be using what? This formula. Okay, now please make sure you put these formulas down and make sure you understand them. Now, let us begin the class. First of all, I can choose to convert sine 33 to cos, or I can choose to convert cos to sine, so on and so forth. So let us see what we can do. Now, if I want to convert, sine 33 degree, if I want to convert sine 33 degree to cos, it means I will say sine 33 degree is equal to cos 90 minus 33. Are you with me? So it means sine 33 degree becomes 90 minus 33 will give us 57. So we're going to be having cos 57. So it means in place of sine 33 degree, what we're going to be putting there is cos 57 degree. Are you with me? So I'll come here now and I will write. So now instead of sine 33, I'm going to write cos 57 degree. And don't forget we have another cos 57 degree here. Okay, now plus. Now we just said that sec is the inverse of cos. So I'm going to write sec 62 degree becomes 1 over cos 62 degree. Alright, now what do I have on top? Sine 28 degree. Good. Now plus. Now I can choose to make cos 33 become sine. And how would I do that? I'm going to use the formula which says cos 33 degree is equal to sine 90 minus 33. So it means sine 90 minus 33 will give us sine 57. So it means in place of cos 33 degree, what I'm going to give is what? Sine 57 degree. So here becomes plus cos 33 now is now sine 57 degree. Then what do I have also? Sine 57 degree. Are you with me now? Alright. Now let's proceed. Next plus. We said cosec is the inverse of sine. So if cosec 62 degree becomes 1 over sine 62 degree. Then what do I have up? Cos 28 degree. Are you with me? Now all over. Now tan 15 degree. Okay, I can write tan 15 degree as cot. How? It becomes tan, using the formula which says tan 15 degree is equal to cot 90 minus 15 degree. So it means 90 minus 15 degree will give us 75 degrees. So what do I have? Cot 75 degree. So it means in place of tan 15 degree, what am I going to put? Cot 75 degree. Now I'll come here. Here becomes cot 75 degree. Now tan 35 degree again can also be written as tan 35 degree becomes cot 90 minus 35. And 90 minus 35 will give us 55. So I have cot 55 degree. So in place of tan 35 degree, what am I going to put? Cot 55 degree. I hope you are with me. I hope you are still with me. Okay, no moving, no, you don't need to be distracted. Your attention should be with me. Now, let us proceed. So in place of tan 35, I'm going to what? Substitute cot 55 degree because they are equal to each other. So here becomes cot 55 degree. Plus, okay, no plus. Now we have tan 60 class. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Are you with me? Tan 60 is what? Root 3. So I have brackets root 3. Then tan 55, let's leave it as tan 55. No touching. And let's leave this also as tan 75 degree. You see what I'm doing? See one after the other, step by step. Now, here I have cos 57 degree, I have cos 57 degree, which can also be written as cos square 57 degree. Are you with me? Because I have two cos which are carrying the same degree, which is 57 degree. It's just like you saying cos theta is the same thing as cos square theta. Are you with me? Now, let us proceed. Plus, now 1 over cos 62 degree. Now, cos 62 degree can also be written as less of cos 62 degree. Can also be written as sine 90 minus 62. Which is sine 90 minus 62 gives us 28. So in place of cos 62 degree, what would I be giving? Sine 28 degree. So here becomes 1 over sine 28 degree. And what do I have up? Sine 28 degree. Are you with me? Plus, now sine 57 degree, sine 57 degree can also be written as sine. Okay, coming. Can also be written as sine square 57 degree according to the way we solve cos 57 degree, cos 57 degree. Okay, now plus, now sine 62 degree can also be written as sine 62 degree can also be written as cos 90 minus 62. And 90 minus 62 will give us cos 28 degree. So in place of sine 62, what we are doing? Cos 28 degree. So here becomes 1 over cos 28 degree. What do I have at the numerator? Cos 28 degree. All over. Now let's go. Now we said cot means inverse of tan. So cot 75 degree can also be written as 1 over tan 75 degree. Also, cot 55 degree can also be written as 1 over tan 55 degree. Okay, then I have bracket root 3, and then yes, it remains tan 55 degree and tan 75 degree. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? So automatically, this is what we're going to be doing. Here becomes alright. Okay, now here becomes now we have cos square 57 degree, sine square 57 degree. Let's bring them together because they're having squares somehow, you understand? So here becomes cos square 57 degree plus sine square 57 degree. Now we all know sine 28 degrees will cancel out 28 degrees. What do I have left? Plus 1. Plus. Okay. Okay. Well, I brought this one here. Now plus cos square. Sorry, cos 28 degrees will cancel out cos 28 degrees. So what do I also have left? Plus 1. Are you with me? All over. Now, tan 75 will cancel out tan 75. Tan 45 will cancel out tan 45. So what do I have left? It is as simple as this. It is as simple. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to kill yourself over this. Just go step by step. Are you with me? Now, from the trigonometry function, which says sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Now you will see that here, this identity and cos square 57 degrees plus sine square 57 degrees, they are the same thing. So automatically cos square 57 degrees plus sine square 57 degrees will give us 1. So here becomes alright. So now let's go. If cos square 57 degrees plus sine square 57 degrees is 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1. Okay. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us what? 3. So here becomes 3 over root 3. Are you with me? Now, if I want to rationalize it because of the root and the denominator, it becomes times root 3 over root 3. Are you with me? Now, 3 times root 3 gives us 3 root 3, and root 3 times root 3 gives us root 9. How did I get 9? 3 times 3 gives us 9. And we all know that here becomes 3 root 3 over square root of 9 gives us 3. Are you with me? Are you still? If you are with me, you have to be with me. Now, when 3 cancel out 3, what do I have left, class? Root 3. So this becomes the answer, or this becomes the value for the question which was given. You see how I solve this math step by step without being in a hurry? When you listen, you understand. So class, I hope you enjoyed yourself today with Jeff Nino, and I hope you learned something. Till we meet again in our next class, keep on watching Mathematics and I. Keep on following us. Keep on sharing our videos. Bye for now.